Hello, one and all. This is your host Naman Kapri, and I welcome you all to League 11. Today, in this video, we will be discussing the fantasy team picks for the match between Adelaide Strikers and Sydney Sixers. Adelaide Strikers are coming from the back of a defeat, whereas Sydney Sixers are coming from the back of an amazing victory. So this is gonna be a competition, a crucial competition for the Adelaide Strikers because the Sydney Sixers are comfortably placed on the top of the table. So these are the fantasy picks for the match tomorrow between these two teams. So let's start with the first segment, which is the wicket keeping segment. Here I have picked a total of one wicket keeper, which is from the Sydney Sixers team, and it's Joshua Phillip. Joshua Phillip is one of the classiest batsmen in the BBL this year. The way he's playing, he scored an unbeaten 99 in the last match, missed his century by just one run, and showed what he's made of. He has nerves of steel, can get you points in batting as well as keeping, and this dual nature of his personality makes him my captain's pick for tomorrow. He is definitely a captain's pick, can get you points in both those departments, and is a must go for tomorrow's match. Next up is the batting section. Here I have picked a total of three batsmen, starting with James Vince. Vince is another crafty batsman. Didn't score much in the last match, but in the previous match scored a crucial 30-40 odd, and he is important to the mixture because he brings that depth and strength in the middle order which is required. So he's definitely a must pick in the match. Next up is Silk, Jordan Silk. Jordan Silk, another good batsman, played a very handy knock last match for the Sydney Sixers and is one player to watch out for, especially for me. I really expect him to go berserk tomorrow and I am expecting runs from his bat. He's a must pick for tomorrow's match. Next up, the third batsman, the last batsman I have chosen is Weatherill. Weatherill is an Adelaide striker batsman and he is a very handy batsman too. In the previous match too, he's played a good innings for the Adelaide team and he has been consistent throughout the tournament up till now. He has scored runs, he has proved to be the dependable guy, and he has been someone who has given solidity in the middle order. So he's definitely our go-to guy for tomorrow. You can go for him in your fantasy teams. After the batting section, now let's talk about the all-round section. Here I have picked a total of three all-rounders, starting with Moises Henriques. Moises Henriques, Sydney Sixer batsman, and a clear match winner. Moises Henriques can get you those crucial runs, can get you wickets at crucial times. He had a slight off day last match, couldn't pick up wickets, but yes, he was good with the bat. So, and we can never actually judge Henriques out of the match because he is a born match winner. He is also my vice captain pick for tomorrow. I expect him to fire in all departments. Next up, the second all-rounder pick is Dan Christian. Dan Christian, another Sydney Sixer player and a very handy all-rounder. Can give you the tight overs, can also bowl well. Has not been batting really well in this tournament, but has really impressed with his bowling. And in the coming matches, he can also bring back his batting prowess because that is what he's known for in this format called the T20. A definite must go for tomorrow's match. The third all-rounder that I have picked is Matt Short. Matt Short, a brilliant all-rounder, an Adelaide striker, opens the innings, can get you crucial runs top of the order and is in red hot form. Has been scoring consistently, has been scoring good runs, countable runs, and along with that also gives you those crucial bowling overs. Hasn't been amongst the wickets so far, but has kept it really economical. So he's my pick for tomorrow, and you can definitely go for him too. Now for the last section, the bowling section. Here I have picked a total of four bowlers because I am expecting it to be a very feisty affair for bowlers tomorrow. The bowlers will have an advantage over the batsmen as the pitch slightly supports bowling, fast bowling especially. So the first bowler that I have chosen here is Fawad Ahmed, and this is a bowler who has been proving to be an X factor for the Adelaide Strikers, has been performing really consistently, picking up one or two wickets in the middle, bowling economical spells, and he's been really impressive. The second bowler that I'm gonna talk about is Chris Jordan. Chris Jordan, another short, no-brainer inclusion into your team, has been bowling really well. Was slightly expensive in the previous match, but he has bowled the perfect lengths. Has been looking in the fray of taking wickets in the matches before that, and this Sydney Sixer is definitely the one you can go for in tomorrow's match. The next bowler is Dwacius. Dwacius is another X factor that I am really looking forward to in tomorrow's match. He has been proving to be a very handy bowler for the Sydney Sixers, bowling in the good overs, the middle overs, picking up a wicket or two in the middle. And the biggest strength that I feel is he knows his length right. He can adjust to it depending on the batsman stepping out or not stepping out, and that makes him a very deadly bowler. You can definitely go for him in tomorrow's match. The last bowler that we are going to talk about is none other than the Afghan spin king Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan, one of the champions of this format of the game, knows his variations very well. Leg spins, googlies, all are in the back of his hand. He knows how to use them to perfection. Has been in very good form. Hasn't been amongst the wickets that much, but has kept it economical. But Rashid can never be underestimated. He can take the wickets and he can make his day by his own hands, by his own bowling. So this is how the team lines up for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes.